Hello everyone, welcome back in another video. This time we've got another package to unbox. iPhone 12 Pro, let's get to it. Yesterday I also picked up this iPhone 6 for roughly $55 at my school. And it works just fine. The battery condition is at 88%, so it's pretty good considering that the phone has over 7 years at this point. I think I'll be able to list this for at least $60 up to $80. Let's move on with the iPhone 12 Pro. iPhone 12 Pro, 128 gigabytes. Let's get to it. Let's get to the foil real quick. Here we do some screen protectors. So as you can see, this one is the Bison hydrogel screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro, and this one's the case. That's cool. iPhone box, let's open it up, and we've got our phone with the charging cable and the manuals. As you can see, the iPhone has already applied a screen protector. The matte screen protector looks pretty good, if I'm being honest with you, and the condition of the phone is pretty damn good. There's nothing wrong about this. As you can see, we've got some maybe little marks here on the sides, but I don't know, it looks very good, if I'm being honest with you. Also in the back there's a little mark here on the glass, but it doesn't affect the functions of the phone and it still looks pretty good. Let's try booting the phone. As you can see, it boots without any problems. We see the Apple logo, English. Let's connect to the internet. As you can see, it works 100%. So later in the settings. And just like this, we are on the phone. And as you go to the battery and battery health, we see that it's at 89%, so pretty good. Now let's also go to this camera app and let's see if the camera does work. So as you can see, all the lenses do work fine. There's no problem whatsoever. First, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So both of the microphones and the speakers do work just fine, and there's nothing wrong with the phone. Now let's take some pictures of the phone so that we can list this for profit. Everyone, it's another day and I've got a buyer for our phone, so let's pack this and let's go to the post and send this to the customer. Let's pack the iPhone. Let's go to reset, erase all the content and settings. Let's pack the iPhone just like this, and also include this screen, this back protector. Okay guys, and just like this, I sold the two iPhones, iPhone 12 Pro in a graphite color and also in a Pacific blue color. So thank you so much for watching to this video. I really appreciate you watching to my content, and I hope you like this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.